Welcome to the recap of our partner event in Belgrade. We began a day with a silent walk, allowing time for quiet reflection as we move through Belgrade's beautiful streets. We enjoyed carefully selected local specialties, showcasing the best of traditional Serbian cuisine. Experts from Rakija Bar guided us through a tasting session, sharing the rich history and production methods behind several distinctive varieties of rakija. Violinist Marta Petrovic provided the musical backdrop, creating an ideal atmosphere for relaxed networking and conversation. Partners and colleagues exchanged insights, shared valuable experiences, and discussed fresh ideas spontaneously. The Becky team shared practical updates on process improvements, introduced upcoming enhancements to our workflow, and clearly outlined our strategic vision for the near future. We also explored notable industry trends and regulatory developments. Experts encouraged meaningful discussion among attending finance and accounting professionals. The rest of the evening was reserved for relaxation, offering time for casual conversation, enjoyable music, and drinks. Thank you to all partners who made this event both valuable and memorable. We look forward to seeing you next year.